Hello, mathematicians. Now, yesterday we spent the day comparing numbers. Now it's time to take all of that information and put them on a number line. So let's take a look at how to put numbers on the number line together. So first off, what is a number line? A number line is a straight line that has numbers on it. Now, number lines look different. Some of them look like this, where it only gives you a little bit of information. Some of them have a little line to tell you all the numbers in between. So I have a problem. I want to put the number 7 somewhere on my number line, but I don't remember or know how to put it on there. So I'm going to take a look at some steps to help me out. Now, let's go to step number 1. Compare your missing number to a number already on the number line. Ooh, this word looks familiar. Compare. We did that yesterday. Remember? We had 3 easy steps. So this is my missing number, and I want to compare it to a number here on the number line and decide. So let's see. I want to compare it to number 5. So let's think. I'm going to go and bring my other anchor chart to help me remember. Look at the place with the highest value. Well, lucky for me, they're both in the ones place. So which is bigger, 7 or 5? I know what you're thinking, because y'all are so smart. I'm sure you're thinking, well, Miss Garcia, 7 is quite a bit bigger than 5, and you'd be correct. So 7 is greater than 5. Well, it's glad I know that, but how do I know where I put it on the number line? Well, let's take a look at step number 2. Is your number greater than or less than the number line? We just decided. 7 is greater than 5, so let's go to the last step and see what we do. Step number 3, place the number on the number line, or go back to step 1. Well, we already know if it's greater than or less than, so let's see. On a number line, 2 things are certain. If it's less than, it's always going to go to the left. If it's greater than, it's always going to go to the right. So let's take a look here. So it's greater than, so it's going to go this way. But how do I know it doesn't go past 10? Well, if you're not sure or there's another number here, you're going to start the steps all over again. So I know it's 7 is greater than 5, but let's see if it's greater than 10. Well, 7 and 10. Now, I'm going to compare the numbers using what I remember from yesterday. Now, first thing, remember my secret from yesterday? It's always good to label your hundreds, tens, and ones. So I'm going to label my tens on both numbers and my ones. Okay, let's compare. So 7, well, there's nothing in the tens place, which means that there's invisible 0. But there's something here in the tens place in the number 10. So 0 and 1, which is bigger, 0 or 1? If you said 1, you're correct. 10 is going to be greater than 7. So using our place value knowledge, we know that 7 is greater than 5, but is less than 10. So it's going to go somewhere here in between on the number line. Awesome job, mathematicians. Now, since we're in 2nd grade, we're going to be using a lot of 2 and 3-digit numbers. Today, you're going to be looking at 2-digit, and tomorrow you're going to be looking at 3-digit. So remember the steps. First thing you need to do is compare your missing number to a number already on the number line. Decide if it's greater than or less than. Once you've done that and you figured out if that missing number is greater than or less than, place it on the number line. Remember, if it's less than, it's going to go to the left. If it's greater than, it's going to go to the right. Now, if you see other numbers in your way, go ahead and compare and repeat the steps all over again. Compare the numbers, decide if it's greater than or less than, and then move it along the number line. Okay, mathematicians. Today in Seesaw, you'll be comparing a few numbers. Until next time,